Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we have another dilemma about the headlight. When we close it, it sits unevenly. So let's go and then show you guys. See how that side sit down correctly? Well, better than this side. We're gonna open the trim and check it out all the screw and make sure everything is tight down correctly. So yeah, we're gonna pop up the hood. And put the rod up. So we need to remove this housing. It's supposed to have 2 screws on each side. So yeah, maybe when we close it, it bends it or something, or it's not screwed tight correctly. Oh yeah, it's kind of loose. I see a screw in there, it's loose. So I'm going to remove the housing and then show you guys. I'm gonna loosen it up. And when it's almost out, then I'm gonna use my finger. I don't want to lose the screw. Gotta unclip it. So they have the screw on the side, one big one over here, small one in the front. Small one right here on the front. This one is tight. So yeah, this one is pretty loose. So I'm gonna press down all the way down. See how so much gap right there? Gotta make sure none of the wiring is obstructing the panel or anything. Let me go back there and check. Yeah, you gotta make sure the cable is not getting cut or anything like that. I was gonna short circuit the whole headlight. The last time we cut the wire for the extra wiring for the headlight. Can't see. Well, anyway, I'm going to tie this down. And then that should fix the uneven on the headlight when it's closing. Let me do that with 2 hands. I'll be back. Alright, so I make a very tight fit already, so that should fix the problem. Go ahead and close the hood back. Oh, so this one is kind of loose too. So I might have to open it up, the same thing. Yeah. So yeah, if your headlight is not sit evenly or flush with your hood, then that's how you fix it. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and then remove those Phillips screw, and then tighten that thing down first too. This head is almost stripped. I gotta separate the gaps. I'm gonna use my flathead, and this one's kind of tight. Yeah, let me get my prying tool. So I used my prying tool, jam on the side, and it fell off completely. I see this side. How there's a gap right here. Gotta make sure you press all the way down before you tie them up. And this extra strap wiring, I'm not sure I need to cut it off or what. Let me just let it hang over here. No, I need to cut it because it's retracting back and forth. Alright, so I'm gonna close it. Moment of the truth. Should be flush by now. Oh yeah, oh shoot. This side is too much down. The other side is okay, but right here is all the way down. So I need to do some adjustment. So that's why it's better not to put the plastic trim in all the way yet, or it's going to take apart again. So this side is kind of too much in, so I got to adjust it. But yeah, anyway, that's how you align your headlight according to the hood. So in case you have the same issue, that's how you do it on this Miata. This is a 1991 Miata. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.